In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Notion templates. Whether you're looking to organize your personal life, run a business more efficiently, or even generate income by selling your templates, Notion is a fantastic tool that can help you do just that. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Notion website. Once you've navigated to the home page, it's time to set up your account if you don't already have one. Click on the Get Notion Free button to start the registration process, and then select Continue with Google for a simplified sign-up experience using your existing Google credentials. This is a quick and secure way to jump right into using Notion. Once you're in, it's time to create your workspace. You'll notice a plus sign beside the workspace area. Go ahead and click that to start setting up a new workspace. Opt for an empty page to have a blank canvas ready for your template creation. At the top of your page, type in your niche as the header. For instance, if you're focusing on personal finance, your header might read Monthly Budget. Next, customize your page by clicking on the Add icon and then Add Cover to make it visually appealing. A good design not only helps organize content efficiently, but makes it more attractive for potential buyers. For our example, I'll add two columns, one for monthly income and another for monthly expenses. Simply click on the plus sign to add these columns, and I'll choose the table view for both to keep things organized. Now create each database by clicking New Empty Database, and start by typing a header like Income, Monthly. In the next column, mirror these actions by choosing the table view and naming the header Expenses Monthly. Change the first row's name to something like Income, and enter some sample data for income and expense amounts as placeholders. You can personalize further by renaming items within your tables, for example, changing names to Amount or adding an expense category with different options like housing or grocery. There's room to be creative. Customization is key. Finally, when you're ready to share or sell your template, click Share to adjust visibility settings so anyone on the web with the link can view it. Copy that link for sharing purposes and to enable duplication. Last but not least, click on the three dots and select Duplicate. This enables others to duplicate your template into their Notion account when you sell your template via platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify. And there you have it. You've created a customizable Notion template that's all set to sell. This approach allows you to share your creativity and solutions with the world, all while potentially earning money. Happy templating!